You're coming to Wales Millennium Centre in December to open the 25th anniversary production of Les Miserables.
Yep.
You're in the middle of rehearsals.
Yeah.
How are they going?
Rehearsals are going incredibly well, considering it's a brand new production of the show, and we basically have reinvented the whole thing from scratch. When it was first conceived 25 years ago, 30 years ago actually, if you count its original conception in Paris, the whole thing has become very much iconic.
So give us an insight into what we can expect that's new in this production.
Well, the key idea behind the new design is Victor Hugo, who wrote the novel that the show's based on, was also a very keen artist, and he's got quite a large legacy of paintings and watercolours and things, and they're being projected on the back of the set, so it'll be a much more colourful version of the show. It's still the same story, still the same music, but it's a very radical way of looking at it, and I'm very excited to be part of it.
Because you've played this part many times, haven't you?
Yes, I have, yes.
And you're coming to the Millennium Centre, as we said.
Yeah.
What attracts you to coming here to perform?
The first thing I must say is that when I was 19 and I left Wales to go to London to find work in theatre and TV and film or musicals, there was really no scene done in Wales like there is now, you know. But I always wanted to work in Wales. I mean, it always cut me up a bit that I had to leave Wales to go and get the work, you know. But now I'm overjoyed that I can come back and do a show that I love, that my family love, my friends love, and my kids love. You know, and I'm able to do it in Cardiff with this magnificent theatre, which I've performed in a few times, but I can't wait to actually work here properly. It's going to be, I'm really, really excited about it.
What is it about the stage then that makes it such a good place to perform in?
I don't know. I think it's one of those things, you know. Certain theatres have magic. I mean, you can name them, you know. I've worked at the National Theatre, and there's something magical about that. You know who's performed there: Laurence Olivier, Judi Dench, people like that. And then you have the Theatre Royal Haymarket, a beautiful old theatre. And then you can put the Wales Millennium Centre in that bracket. You know, it's already got a heritage of great performers coming here and wanting to work here, because Wales is such a culturally artistic nation. People are somehow drawn here. I mean, remember Pavarotti, of course, first became known whilst he was singing in Eisteddfod in Wales. And I think that's part of the thing of the Wales Millennium Centre, is that people want to come here. It's a glorious building, it's beautiful to look at from the outside and the inside. It's got a great vibe when you're in here. Pumed Penblwydd hapus i'r ganolfan. Happy 5th birthday to the centre.